Hello, good evening. Hello, hello. Welcome to the class. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes. Please start your camera.
Clear off contact.
Yes, please start your camera.
Ma'am, I have started my camera.
I can't see you.
YouTube network unstable.
Camera टांग देख
कुछ प्रॉब्लम
कौन कौन
नेटवर्क अनस्टेबल আছে সেটা ক্যামেরা দেখা আমি
Ma'am, network is unstable, so my camera is not visible.
Okay. Yes. So my name is Smita Gandhi. And what about you? May I know your name, please? Yes. Now is it okay? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. May I know your name, please?
Ma'am, my name is Bella Swastika Satabathi.
Kebilia. Is it correct?
Kaibalya.
Kebilia. Okay. Welcome to the class. Okay. So my name is Smita Gandhi. I'm your math tutor for today's class. So Kebalia, before starting the lecture, I will ask you a few questions regarding today's topic introduction.
Your voice.
Yes. Is it clear? The voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what time or where do you stay?
I stay in
Yes. Is there network problem, Kebalia?
yes.
Okay. Should we continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the time over there now? You can see in your laptop also there is a time below. What is the time over there now?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Okay. So to see the time, what you need from which tool you use to find out the time? How do you find out the time? Now the time is 5 o'clock. You said me. So how you check the time? In which thing you will check? Yes. Which thing you will use to check the timing?
What, ma'am?
Which thing you will use to check the time, to see the time? To measure the,
Ma'am, I can.
yes. Yes, Kebalia.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you sometime.
Okay, so it is showing that your network bandwidth is very low. Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
बोलो.
ma'am.
Okay, so my question is, to measure the length, we use the meter tape or we use the ruler to check the time. What is the time? What thing you will use? How do you know what the time is now? Yes?
We
Which?
use a clock.
Yes, very good. Clock. Okay. Now, the next question is, when is your birthday? May I know your date of birth or birth date?
6th July.
6th July. Okay. So, during this year, 6th July, what day will your birthday fall? Any
Birthday
idea?
6th.
6th July, you told me, na? Do you know when is your birthday will come? On which day? July 6th. Which day your birthday will come? Any idea? Have you checked? So which thing you will use to know? When is your calendar? Okay. So today's topic is about the calendar. I will share some calendar, this year calendar.
Calendar show option.
Okay. So I'm sharing you the 2025 calendar. From this calendar, please tell me on which day will your birthday will come. You told me July 6th. So please check from the calendar and tell me. On
Sunday.
Sunday. Very good. Okay, good. Now, tell me on which day Children's Day will come. You know, when is the Children's Day? Children's Day. When we celebrate the Children's Day? Yes? Any idea?
Friday.
Okay, so Children's Day we celebrate on 14th November every year, and that will come on Friday. Very good. Okay. What about our Independence Day? Independence Day will come on which day?
This is also, ma'am, on Friday.
Yes, correct. Okay, very good. And my birthday is on 25th July. Will you tell me on which day my birthday will fall?
Your birthday is also on Friday.
Okay, so many things happening on Friday. Nice. Okay. Now, the next question is your, hello. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So now the time in my clock is 5 hours and 10 minutes. Okay. And our duration of the class is if of 40 minutes, at what time our class will end? Now the time
6
is
o'clock.
40
6 o'clock.
minutes. Yes, now it is 5 hours, 10 minutes, and the class duration is 40 minutes. So will it end at 6 o'clock or before that? 5 hours, 10 minutes plus 40 minutes. So at what?
Ma'am, it is 6 o'clock.
5
I
hours.
told you.
Okay, let me explain this.
Ma'am, is my voice clear to you?
Yes, clear. Okay, so my question was, now the time is 5 hours, 10 minutes, and the class duration is of 40 minutes. At what time the class will end?
6 o'clock.
No, no, Kebalia. See, 5 hours, 10 minutes plus 40 minutes. It will be 5 hours, 50 minutes. The question is different. What I have, not regular class session I'm talking about. This is the question I'm asking you. If the class duration is of 40 minutes, then at what time the class will end? So when I add 10 minutes to 40 minutes, I will get 5 hours, 50 minutes. So it will end 10 minutes before 6 o'clock, correct? Can you see my whiteboard? Yes, Kebalia, can you see my whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so understood. The class will end at 5 hours, 50 minutes, before 10 minutes, before 6 o'clock, if the class duration is of 40-minute session. Correct? This was the question for you. Okay. Now the next. Do you know when is the, hello Kabalya, when do we celebrate Teachers' Day? Teachers' Day will fall on which year? Day. On which day?
Friday.
Yes, this is also Friday. Very good. Okay. Now, can you tell me 2025, the Teachers' Day comes on 5th September. Then 5th September 2026 will be which year? Next Teachers' Day, this year, Teachers' Day comes on Friday 5th. So next year, Teachers' Day will come on which day?
Saturday.
Okay, so today in our class session, we will discuss that answers during this class. So first we will revise some topics which you are familiar with the topic about the calendar.
100 years is actually century.
Yes, 100 years. No, today we will revise some topics about the day calendar topic, which I think you are familiar with that. So I will ask you a few questions. So how many weeks in 1 month?
How many weeks in 1 month? 4 weeks to 5 weeks.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay. And in 1 day, how many hours?
24 hours.
And what about the minutes? How many minutes in 1 day?
3600.
Okay, so how you calculated that? How many minutes in 1 day? In 1 day,
16 into 24. 60 into 24.
okay, 16 into 24. So 1440, 24 into 60, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, so how many, now the next question is, how many minutes in 2 days? In 1 day, there are 1440 minutes. So in 2 days, it will be?
1440 minutes into 2.
Yes, so what will be the answer?
Can I take out my rough copy?
Sure, yes. Are you there, Kabalya? Just a minute. You can do the multiplication.
Pen.
You
Yeah,
can
Jaldi.
You can do the multiplication mental maths. You can do it mental maths orally in your mind also. 1440 into 2. 144 multiplied by 2. You can calculate in the mind also.
Yes, ma'am. It
Yes.
is
Yes.
2880.
Very good. 2880 minutes for in 2 days. Now, what is the meaning of a day? What is the day?
What, ma'am?
Yes.
What, ma'am?
What is meaning of the day? What is mean by day? See, Earth rotate. There is a rotation of the Earth and the revolution of the Earth. Yes, you have studied.
Yes,
Yes. So the rotation of the Earth, it takes.
It causes day and night.
Yes, very good. And what about the revolution causes?
Revolution causes seasons.
Very good. Okay. So a day is the time that the Earth takes. A day is the time that Earth takes to make one complete rotation on its axis. 1 day is the standard unit of the time. 1 day has 24 hours. 7 days make 1 week.
1 week.
Yes.
The
And we
first day of the week is Monday,
yes, very good. And the weekends are?
Saturday and Sunday.
So do you have holidays on weekends? Do you get holidays on weekends?
Only
Yes.
Saturday and Sunday, and Saturday will be classes sometimes.
Okay, okay. So this cycle keeps on repeating. Now, what are the uses of the calendar? When you make use of the calendar to observe,
We use calendar
hmm,
to observe the dates of
hmm,
a year, month, particular date,
yes.
or a day.
Yes. So suppose you want to organize some event that you want to celebrate your mother's birthday, father's birthday. So you will check on the calendar when their birthday is coming, how many days are left for planning, correct? So you can, whenever you decide some date, you will make use of the calendar. And in your school, now your exam will start. So how many days remaining for the exam? You will look at the calendar and you will select. You will count the dates that now the 4 5 days remaining or 2 days remaining, and then accordingly that you can plan. So calendar is very useful for planning things also. We can make use of the calendar and we can plan for some events. Now the next is okay. So there are 12 months in a year. A month has 4 to 5 weeks. As earlier you told me that in 1 month there may be 4 weeks or there may be 5 weeks. 1 week equals to 7 days. Okay, now few months have 30 days, few months have 31 days, and few months have 28 or 29 days. How you will remember? Which month has 30 days, which month have 31 days? Yes, correct. Very good. With the help of this. So whenever it is at the upper side, you will calculate as how many days?
31.
31. Or there is one easy trick also. You have to just remember the word Aja San. So every time you are not going to count like this. So you can remember the word Aja San. Now what is Aja San? A is for April, J is for June, S for September, and N for November. April, June,
These
September.
all are 30 days.
Yes.
These all are 30.
Yes, very good. So you can remember one small poem was there. April, June, September, and November has 30 days. And rest all has 31 days except February alone, which has 28 days or 29 days in each leap year. Okay, so next time whenever some question is there, you can just remember the word Aja San. April, June, September and November. April, June, September and November. So no need of looking every time counting like this. So will you remember this word? Easy to remember?
I also remember. I've already remembered all the
Very
months
good,
which are
very good.
having
Okay.
31 and 30
Yes,
days.
very good. Okay. Now, so what is here? To find the number of the days in a year, 7 multiplied by 31.
365. 365 days in a normal year and
Yes.
366 days in a leap year.
Okay. So now tell me, 1996. How many days in 1996? 1996 year, 1996. How many days in a year? 90. Yes.
Wait, if we have to find
Hmm.
some other year, then we have to divide with 4.
Hmm. Okay, so now you tell me, my question is 1996, how many days in the year 1996? Is it 365 or 366? So are you dividing the complete 1996?
Yes.
So,
Wait a second. 39. Say, 5, Ma'am, it has 366 days, means it is a leap year.
Yes.
Leap year.
Okay. Now there is one divisibility rule. You know what is the divisibility rule? Means with the trick we can find out whether the given number is divisible by the given number or not. So there is a divisibility rule for number 4. So to check whether the given number is divisible by 4, what we have to check the last 2 digit only. If the last 2 digit is divisible by 4, the whole number is divisible by 4. So you no need to do the complete calculation that is it divisible by 4 or not, the complete number. You can just check with the number 96. 4 2s are 8, 1 will remain, 4 4s are 16. So this number is completely divisible by 4. So this is a leap year. Okay. What is the rule to find?
This number is a day.
Excuse me, please.
This number is a day.
This number is no, my question is so it is a leap year.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So there are 365 days in a year. Every 4th year has an extra day. A year with 360 days is called a leap year. Now,
Ma'am, it is because a leap year has 366 days.
yes.
Because every year has 365 days and
Yes.
6 hours. So 4 years
Very good.
after 4 years, 6 into 4 is equals to
Yes.
24 hours, means it is
Yes.
1 day, and 1 day extra means makes it a leap year, 366 days.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. So whenever some question comes in the exam, you have to first find out whether the year is a leap year or not. So how you can find out the leap year? A year is a leap year if it is divisible by 4. If a year ends in 100, it will not be a leap year unless it is divisible by 400. Okay. Now I will ask you some questions based on this. The year 1976 is a leap year. Also, can you see the screen? Yes, screen is visible. Yes or no? Yes, Kaibalya? Okay. Also, the year 2000 is a leap year, while 1900 is not. To find the number of the weeks in a leap year, divisible 365 by 7, since each week has 7 days. Okay, now my question is, tell me, is the year 2025 is a leap year? Is the year, huh?
No.
So after 2025, which year will be the leap year? Was 2024 was a leap year?
2025. 2028.
Yes, okay, 2028. Now, was 1950 was a leap year?
1950 was a leap year.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Why? How you calculated? What you did?
I divided 50 by 4.
Very good. Excellent. So to check whether it is a leap year or not, you have to divide the last 2 digits by the number 4. So if it is completely divisible by 4, then it is a leap year and it has 366 days. But if the year is ending with 00, then you have to check whether it is divisible by 400 or not. So 2000, we have to divide by 4. Huh?
And why do we divide with 400?
Because this is only 00 na. So if it is 1900, then also 0 is divided by all the numbers. We can divide 0 by 4 also. So this is also completely divisible by 4. But it is not, 1900 is not a leap year. So to check, whenever the number is ending with 00, we have to divide by 400 and check. So 1900 divided by 4, if I do 1900 divide by 400, so 0 get cancelled. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So there will be the remainder. It is not completely divisible. Okay. So to check whether the number leap year ending with 00, or you can say it is a century year. To check whether the century year is a leap year or not, you have to check by dividing with 400. Okay. Now, tell me about 1800. Is it 1800 is a leap year? 1800.
1800 is a leap year.
Yes, my question I'm asking you is 1800 is a leap year? Divide by 4 and check. 00 will get cancelled. 1800 divide by 400.
No.
This, yes, very good. Okay. So after 1800, which year was the leap year? Century year.
After-
Which century year? Century year.
After 1800, it will be
Is
leap year.
19, yes. I'm asking you about the century.
1804. 1804.
Yes. And my question was, which century year? Century year means we have to keep on adding how many years? Century.
100.
Yes. So
Right.
after 1800, next century year is 1900. Is it 1900 is a leap year?
No.
No. Then which year will be the leap year after 1800 century?
2000.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. So now you have understood about the leap year and how to find out the leap year.
Ma'am, before it was 20th century, now it is the 21st century.
Yes, correct. Very good. So here 7 days makes equals to 1 week. 1 year equals to 365 days.
Ma'am,
And
about 52 weeks is equals to 1 year.
yes, correct. Very good. Okay. 366 days equals to 1 leap year. 12 months equals to 1 year. And next is 4 weeks equals to about
Wow.
4 weeks, because sometimes in many times there can be 5 weeks also. 10 years
Yes, ma'am.
equals to 10 years equals to,
1 decade.
and 100 years equals to,
1 century.
yes, and 1000 years equals to,
Millennium.
very good, excellent. So we call the years from 1900 to 1999 is the 20th century, and 2000 to 2099 is the 21st century. So India got freedom in which century?
20th.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now the question is, read the question, please.
If 12th April 2007 was a Thursday, what was the day on 30th April 2007?
Yes. So now we will solve this.
12 plus 7
Yes.
is equal to 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. 19th April is a Thursday. 19 plus 7,
Yes.
26. 26 is also Thursday. 26, 4.
Yes.
More 4 days means it is Monday.
Yes. Okay. So the question is, if 12th April
It
2007
is Monday. It
falls,
is Monday.
okay, and then what was the day on 30th April? So 30th April is Monday. Now here you can see from the calendar also, but if we want to calculate,
I have not seen from the calendar.
very good, excellent. Okay, very good job. Next question. Okay, please answer this.
Anushka's grandmother went to USA for a vacation on 4th June 2010. She came back on 26th August 2010. How long was her vacation? Ma'am, I think 83 days.
Okay, how to calculate this? So Anushka's grandmother went to USA for vacation on 4th June. So first we have to calculate how many days in the June. So June month has 30 days. So what we can do? 30 minus 4. Okay. We can do 30 minus 4.
27. And 27 is in June.
In that we will add 1 to get 27. So we can first do just subtraction and then add 1, because we have to calculate the 4th June. Very good.
Reaching the airport.
Yes. So 26 plus 1 equals to 27 days in the June. Then July has 31 days and the August has
Yes.
20. Hmm.
5 days, excluding 26th August.
Okay. Now I will change this question and I will ask you the new question. If the grandmother went to USA for a vacation on 4th June 2010 and she came back on 26th September, then how long was her vacation?
Right.
Okay.
26th August, 26th
26th
September.
September. She came back on 26th September. Then how long was her vacation? You already. Hmm.
14. 114 days.
Okay. So as we calculated here, June 27 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, and September. She came back on 26 September. So we have to count only 25 days. So when we add all this, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 13, 14. And what was your answer? Same?
114.
Excuse me. Yes.
114.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay. Next question. Okay. How many hours are there in a week?
So a week has 7 days and
Hmm.
1 day has 24 hours. So
Yes.
24 into 7.
Okay. So what is the answer? 24 into 7.
68 hours. 168 hours.
Okay. Uh,
Yes.
okay, now I will change my question and I will ask you how many hours are there in 14
4
weeks?
weeks.
14. I'm asking you about 14 weeks. How many hours are there in 14 weeks? Do you know two-digit multiplication?
14 into 7 equals to how many days was 2, 7, 7 plus. Ma'am, 14 weeks will be 98 days.
My question is, how many hours are there in 14 weeks?
Counting. Just a minute. 3, 9, 9, 61, 19, 2.
What you are doing?
Ma'am, it is 2352 hours. In 2352 hours.
What you did? How you calculated? Yes, Kebalia, what you did? How you calculated?
I first find out how many days are in 14 weeks. Then I multiplied it by 24.
Okay. Next question is, okay, next is, how many, please read the question.
How are 22 days to be written in weeks? 22 days to be written in weeks.
What is the
So
answer?
7 to 3 equals to 21. Means 3 will be this side, 7 will be the denominator, and 1 will be the numerator.
Okay, yes, correct. Very good. Okay. Okay, what about this answer for this? How many days? This represents how many days?
24 days.
Very good. And what about these? How many days?
22.
No, because it is not showing us the 7 days, na? So we cannot tell this as the 22 days. What about this? How many days this option represents?
This option represents 24 days also.
Is it 24?
No, ma'am. 23. 23.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay. Yes. Next question. Please read the question.
If the Independence Day in 1994 was on Monday, on which of the following dates will be Sunday?
So Independence Day, when is the Independence Day? Our Independence
15th
Day.
August.
Okay.
15th August 1994 was on Monday.
Okay. 1994 Monday. Then on which day will be the Sunday? So first we can try find out, we can do like this also. 14th August is Sunday. Then when will be the next, on which day will be the Sunday? So we can keep on adding 7, 7, 7, 7.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yes, 14 plus 7.
14 plus 7. It is 21.
22.
Ma'am, wait a second.
Yes, Kebalia, what? Yes, Kebalia.
Tell me.
What will be the answer? 14 plus 7.
14 plus 7 is 21.
Yes, correct. Very good. 21. 21st August. Then after 7 days, it will be 28th August, Sunday.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next Sunday will be 28th August is Sunday. Then
28 plus 7. 28 plus 7.
But we cannot do like that 28 plus 7 because the this August month has only 31 days. So 29, 30, 31, 1, 2, like that way we will count the Sunday on which day will come. So
6, 7.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
And it is 7th. Next 7 days will be on 7th.
No. You cannot do like adding 7 because now it is not like that. It has only 31 days, August month. So after
And
20,
7 days.
yes,
Yes.
we have to add like this 7 days. So 29th, first 30, 31, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 days. So 7 days next will be the 4th. On the 4th September will be the Sunday. Then the next Sunday will be, again we have to add 7 days. 4 plus 7 is?
11.
Yes. So, but here the 11th is not there. For 4th September is also not there. So this option cancel, this option cancel. Now after 11 plus 7?
18th September.
18th September.
Means it is 1994, 18/7, 1994.
Yes, okay, very good. Okay. Next question. Yes, please read the question.
If 14th February 1984 was Tuesday, what was the day on 13th February 1985? 13th February 1984, 14th February 1984.
So I have asked you in the
14th February and 14th February 1984
beginning.
to 14th February 1984, it is February. So, is there any Monday?
So first you tell me this, whether 14th February has 28 days or 29 days. Is it divisible by 4, the last 2 digit? Yes, so how many days February has? Is it a leap year? For 1984, is it a leap year?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in this leap year has 366 days. So
Yes, ma'am.
whenever we want to count for the next year, what we can do is we have to divide this by 7. So total year days are 366. 366 divide by 7. So 7 5s are 35. Then 7 2s are 14. So 2 is the remaining. So to calculate which day will be the in the next year, 14th February 1984 is Tuesday. So to calculate for the year 1985, we have to add 2 more days. So after Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So it will be Thursday on 14th February, but they have asked us about the 13th February. So it will be Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Okay. Now, in the beginning, I have asked you about your birthday. So we can do that also. Your birthday this year.
Yeah, I wanted to know what is your name.
Yes. Okay. My name is Smita Gandhi. Okay. So, your birthday this year, July, you have seen on the July, na? Which day your birthday will come? 6th July. Yes, I'm correct. 6th
Yes,
July
ma'am.
is on Sunday. So next year, which day your birthday will come? So how you will calculate? Is this year is a leap year? 2025 is a leap year? No?
No.
No. So we have to just add 1 day because this is 3. We have to divide by 365 divide by 7. So 7 5s are 35 and 7 2s are 14. So 1 is the remainder. So 6th July 2025 is Friday. So what day will be on 6th July 2026? Now give me the answer. 6th July 2025 is the Sunday.
Saturday.
Yeah. Is it Saturday or Monday? We have to add 1 day. We have to add 1 day. Correct? See what?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, 15th August this year is on which day? 2025? Yes,
Friday.
Friday. So what will be the next 15th August 2016 will be 26 will be on which day? 15th August 2026 will be on which day? Just we discussed, we have to just add 1 day, correct? Next
Yes,
day.
ma'am.
So this is on Friday, so it will be on next year. Kabilya.
Saturday.
Yes, have you understood properly? So
Yes,
whenever,
ma'am.
okay, very good. Now one last question for this. If the Children's Day is on
Children's Day not. 25th July.
Children's Day, 14th November.
Yes, ma'am.
For 14th November is also Friday. So next year, when will be the Children's Day?
Saturday.
Yes, correct. Okay, very good. Okay. Now the next question, we are on the question number. Okay, next question. Please read the question.
What is the period of time in hours and minutes from a 9:15? 9:15 means it is 9:15.
Yes, correct. Very
In
good.
the
Okay.
morning, in the morning means it is AM till
Yes.
2:30 in the afternoon.
Afternoon. So how many hours? So yes, please you first try and then please
I
answer.
can do this. Do
Yes, Kabalya.
Ma'am, I am doing
Okay.
device. Ma'am, it is 5 hours 15 minutes.
5 hours, 15 minutes. Okay, very good. How you calculated it? You can show me on the screen if you can.
It will be blurred.
Okay, no problem. You tell me how you solved it, what you did. How you calculated it. What is the 2:30 means 2:30. And if we write in the 24 hours clock, it will be, we have to add 12 hours, correct? So it is 14 hours.
It will be 4 hours. Then I calculated 45 plus 30 is
Okay.
equals to 75 minus 60 is equals to 15 minutes.
Yes,
Means
very good.
1 hour will be in the 4, means it will be 5 hours and 15 minutes.
Okay. Okay, or we can use this method also. To 2:30 in the afternoon means it is 14 hours 30 minutes, and then we can subtract this. So this will be 15, and 14 minus 9 is 5. So 5 hours 15 minutes. This will be the easier method, correct? Have you understood what I did? It is 2:30 in the afternoon. 2:30 in the afternoon means 2:30. And if I do it in the 24-hour clock, we have to add 12 hours. So it will be 14 hours 30 minutes minus 9 hours 15 minutes. 9:15. So 9 hours 15 minutes. When we subtract, we get the answer as 5 hours 15 minutes.
And
Yes.
the computer charge is only 10. And my
Okay.
computer charge is
Okay.
only 10%.
Okay, no problem. So I can end the meeting here because as this is the demo session. Yes, see you in the next class. Okay.
Ma'am,
Bye.
one more thing. I
Yes.
have to tell you.
Yes, please tell.
That 12 midnight to
Hmm.
12 midday
Yes.
is day, and after the
Yes.
it 12 midday to 12 midnight it is PM.
Yes, very good. Okay, very good. Yes,
Post Mediterranean and anti-Mediterranean.
very good. Excellent. So you are very smart. I hope you have liked this today's session.
Yes,
Will
ma'am.
Yes. Okay. See you in the next class. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.